Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the virtual card on Revolut. Now what I need you to do first is come to the top right and click on this card icon. Now you'll see different types of cards. So we have single use cards and virtual cards. Now these ones regenerate after each use. So typically what you would do is you would go ahead and use this card, one time. It's a virtual card. You can use it one time basically for a merchant that you don't trust. So that means, they cannot charge you a second time. And next, what we have our settings. You can go ahead and click on settings right here. For this card, you can name it. You can unblock the CVV, okay, or block it. Basically, if there's 3 incorrect attempts, it'll go away. You can renew or even remove the card. And the other card, guys, is the virtual card. And of course, what you can do is go ahead and click here on show details. It will show you the details of your virtual card. And at any time you can come to the settings as well, right? But before we go into that, I'll show you can even freeze these cards. So basically, maybe your details have been exposed online. You don't want anyone using it. You can freeze the card, right? Or you can even terminate it. So just go ahead and unfreeze that. You can go to the settings. You can name your card, unblock the CVV, regenerate details, or even remove it entirely. And you can do more settings, for example, spending limits and things like that, or even terminate it, right? And if you want to create a new card, guys, you just come back to the main section. Once you click on cards, click here and add new, and you're able to choose between different cards. You can create a single use virtual card or a virtual card that stays with a limit. Otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Sasha Get More.